How to solve Instagram not installing problem on Android. So if the Instagram application isn't installing on Android and you'd like to solve that particular problem, there could be various reasons behind this. The first thing is you want to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa. Second, you want to go to your settings and check if you have got enough storage, because sometimes due to a lack of storage also you could be facing such problem. So ensure that you have got plenty of free storage left in gigabyte format in order to be able to install Instagram, because Instagram is actually quite a huge application. Now if you're running older Android versions, then Instagram might no longer be supported. Ensure you're using the latest Android version, so you can go to software updates, go to download and install, check if there's any sort of updates for your Android device and update it to the latest version. Now after you do all this, now of course you can go to your Play Store, search for Instagram and just try to install it. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.